guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be reviewing a keto cereal / keto granola that was sent to me, and oh my gosh, you're going to want to get yourself some of this. Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so a few weeks ago, a company called Low Karb, K-A-R-B, sent me some keto granola that they make, and I agreed to review it. I'm not getting paid, this is not sponsored. They did just send me the granola for free and asked for my opinion. And when I received it, I actually realized that back in July, I had purchased a version of this granola that had blueberries in it and had really enjoyed it and didn't realize that this was the same company sending it to me. But what they sent me was this keto nut granola, and this one is the cinnamon almond pecan version. And oh my gosh, you guys, for a third of a cup of this, it is 2 net carbs. And listen to these ingredients. It is all natural, healthy, amazing stuff, and it tastes amazing. It is sliced almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut chips, pecans, erythritol, monk fruit extract, butter, and cinnamon. That's it. And it is so good. In fact, it was so good that I decided to take my chocolate chip cookie recipe with the Lily's chocolate chips and add some of this to the batter at the end and cook them up. And they're like oatmeal, they taste like oatmeal granola chocolate chip cookies. Oh my gosh, so good. If you put this on top of, you know what I put this on top of is the Magic Spoon cinnamon cereal, and I just sprinkle this on to give it more crunch and texture and dimension and flavor. So good. If you put this on Greek yogurt, so good. Also, vanilla Rebel ice cream, or the butter pecan, or the salted caramel. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It doesn't taste at all artificial. It doesn't have a weird aftertaste. It's just good for you ingredients. Oh gosh, just opening up the package, you can smell the cinnamon. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's what it looks like. I'll show you a picture of a half-eaten cookie that I took a bite of and then took a picture of. But oh my gosh, it's so good. So I will have a link in the description box below because I actually buy this on Amazon. And oh man, if you're missing granola, if you're wanting to amp up some cookies, if you're wanting to amp up a topping on cereal or yogurt. I was talking to my mother-in-law the other day and was talking to her about, you could probably kind of get some heavy cream, some water, some butter, and like put this in a saucepan and make oatmeal with it, maybe, but you'd probably eat way more than a third of a cup, like way more. But I haven't tried that, but this stuff is so good. Get yourself some of this Low Karb, K-A-R-B, keto nut granola. I give this 2 thumbs up. I love it. I will be buying this over and over again. You guys should send me more of this stuff so I can experiment with more recipes. Shameless request. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope that you found this informative and useful. And if you did, share it with your other keto / low carb friends because this is a really good find and it's really good for you. So even if you're not on keto and you just want to kind of get rid of some sugar, this stuff. All right, otherwise I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.